Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2023 Royal Enfield Scram 411. This bike just arrived with only 132 miles. Perfect shape. It's got almost 2 years left on the factory warranty. Showroom condition. Come on by and make your scrambler dreams come true with this awesome matte blue Royal Enfield. It's got the fork boots up front, the high mounted rear exhaust. I love that scrambler styling. Only $49.99. We have financing available. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Did I mention ABS brakes? Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.